Hey there, guys. Chet here. Now, listen, this one's for designers and developers. I see so many of you out there starting out trying to build a live website directly in Figma. And I need to tell you something. You're making things way harder than they actually need to be. Figma is an incredible tool, don't get me wrong, but for actually building a website, you're missing out on the magic of a tool like Webflow. In this video, we're going to break down the difference between Figma and Webflow to make sure that you're using the right tool for the right job and building the best websites possible. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you. When you sign up with my link below, you'll not only get started with Webflow, you'll also unlock my free full course that takes you from your first project to your first client. And I'm including my Notion templates, the exact ones that I use to manage projects, track clients, and keep everything organized. It's my way of saying thanks for supporting the channel. The link is right there below. Now, let's get into it. Now let's start with Figma. Think of Figma as your digital whiteboard or your design studio. It's the ultimate tool for brainstorming, wireframing, and creating high-fidelity, pixel-perfect designs for websites and apps. It's a vector-based design tool, which means you work with shapes, frames, and components. Its main job is to help you and your team collaborate on the look and feel of a project before a single line of code is written. This is where you perfect your layouts, choose your colors and fonts, and create interactive prototypes to see how your design will function. If you're designing what a website should look like, Figma is your absolute best friend. Now, let's talk about Webflow. The easiest way to think about Webflow is that it's a visual web development platform. It takes your design and turns it into a real live high-performance website. Webflow is where your design comes to life. Instead of just drawing what a button should look like, you're building a real button that people can click on a live URL. It works with the building blocks of the web. Think of things like divs, classes, and interactions, but it gives you a completely visual interface to control them. You get the power of code without having to write it. This is the tool that you use to build professional, responsive websites with complex animations, CMS-driven content, and e-commerce functionality. So, which one should you choose? Well, the answer is that you don't choose between them, you use them together. They are two different stages of the same professional workflow. Think of it like an architect and a builder. The architect designs the blueprint in Figma, and the builder constructs the actual house in Webflow. You would never ask the architect to start laying bricks, and you would never ask the builder to design the floor plan from scratch. A professional workflow looks like this. You create your perfect, beautiful design in Figma. You get feedback. You iterate. You finalize every visual detail. Then you take that finalized design and you build it in Webflow, turning your static design into a fully functioning professional website that you can publish to the internet. Knowing how to use both of these tools together is really the key to working like a pro. And don't forget, if you are ready to try Webflow, use that link that I put down there in the description. You will unlock my full Webflow course and all of my Notion templates completely free, so you can start building like a pro right away. All right, that's it for this comparison. I really hope this clears up the confusion between these two really, quite frankly, amazing tools. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.